Hello everyone! Welcome back to our vlog. In today's video, it is World Embassy Day here in Washington, D.C. So there will be 61 countries will be participating and we will try to visit a few embassies here. So now let's go to the Pond Circle. We're going to take the metro. Okay guys, welcome to the Pond Circle. So we arrive and they ran out of passport. It looks like the passport will look like this, and it's supposed to be like we're going to the embassy and they will put a stamp on it, and unfortunately we are late and they ran out of a copy of the passport. But anyway, let's just enjoy. We'll go to the different embassy now. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, we'll start looking at the embassies. So we'll start with the Iraq one. You know, I've been to Iraq, that's why I want to go there. Okay, guys? need to look at the map every now and then. So here it is, guys. So let's go over again and go back.
We are creative, colorful people, but most of all, we are people of love. So when you come, you leave as family. All right? So I need a punch. See punch in that bag. And then we have necklaces made out of driftwood. So nothing is wasted. Everything is used and made even more beautiful.
Lovely. Now, do the velvet seeds, do they have to like dry out to get it?
Thank you so much. Hi guys, so we're here at Philippine Embassy. So I think they have a lot of the big lines. Ang haba ng pila guys, napakahaba. Anyway, syempre, tourism I think is here. So they're trying to introduce the Filipino culture, syempre, and tourism. So may mga iba-ibang booth dito. Kaya yun, kung nakapila kami, but right now, of course, I'm proud to be a Filipina, guys.
We have our dessert. You like the peaches? Yeah, I know. So this is one of our popular islands.
Especially today.
Oh yeah.
Seasoning soup. Seasoning soup.
No, that's free. You can
But tomorrow is not free tomorrow. We have to buy it.
You can share it.
We have coffee, ma'am.
Coffee? Hi!
Hindi, kung gusto nila ng dalawa, okay lang.
Yeah, so this is the agriculture.
It's okay.
Pork stew.
Hi there.
It was so busy. Oh, the cinnamon roll, yeah.
This is still cinnamon roll.
Yes.
With what kind of
Sweet plantain.
Eight, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
I thought you said you didn't know how to count to 20 in Australian. You just did it.
Oh,
Here we go.
yeah.
Okay. Some tattoos and stickers. There you go. Fantastic. Yeah, the best so far. Yes. Australian Embassy. They have a lot of stuff. It's amazing. guys, the day is over, so I was only able to go to few countries here in the DuPont Circle area. But anyway, every year, Embassy Day has been celebrated, so we'll try to visit other embassy next year. So till our next career adventure again, thank you for watching.
Hi guys, hope you enjoyed my latest video. Please follow, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.